Crewton Ramone's House of Math, just in the house. We have now mastered these babies. That's got to be it, right? Okay, so what he was given, he started off with this. Okay, so now you got to find x. So now, of course, the way that you want cap your pen while you're going so it doesn't dry out. The way he, of course, was taught, the way all kids are taught in every school everywhere in the United States, basically, is 36x, 15 times 96, divide by the 15, right? No fun, get back to 1, and that'll tell you that x is 40. No. Too much work. So what I taught him to do is figure out what the relationships are. Well, this relationship, and we use these blocks over here so he can see. In this case, you figured out that it was what? It was going to be 3 to 12, right? No. 5 to 12. Yeah. Right? So 5/12 is our relationship. This relationship is 5/12. Well, then that means this is 1. This would be the first one. I'll show you in a second how to walk up here, because this is it. Now that we've done this, there's no problem I can give you that's going to be hard. Right? It's just knowing your multiples. You understand the concept. We're done. And then next time, maybe 2-3 times you come back, like not next time, but the time after that, we brush it up again, and it'll be in there. Right? And pull it out of your brain. Educate, not cram in. All right. So he figured out that we must have been 3. Right? Divide by 3. Divide by 3. I get 5/12. So over here, this is 96. Must be 8. Well, if that's 8, then that's 8. Got it? Now, if that's 8 and that's 5, well, then that's got to be 40. That's all it is, the two sides of the rectangle. Simple as can be, isn't it? I'm just saying that that's being 5. This is the 12. That's how I got my 96. The 12, you can't even read it. 12. There we go. Okay, so for those of you looking at this for the first time, this may be a difficult thing. So let's not make it difficult. Let's take a look at this simple relationship. 2 to 5. So I can say, okay, well, that's 2 to 5. Then over here I've got 6 to 15. And then I'm going to pick this one over here, which is going to be, what? That will be 7. So it would be 14 to, I don't know. We'll just do it that way. Okay. Well, if it's 6 to 15, then my relationship, this is, well, let's see here. What goes into both of those? Well, 3. See the 3 and the 3. So there's a 6, and 3 5s is 15. There we are. Okay. So I pick 6 to 15, 14 to, I don't know how many. All right, so the relationship there has got to be 2 to 5. Well, now that means if I'm 2, that means I must be over by 7. In other words, I came over till here. Right? So from here to here is 7. And from here to here, and I usually use a piece of paper, but I can't use a piece of paper because I don't have enough hands. So anyway, 7. So now I can see, well, let's see, if that's 5, I know this is 5, and I know this is 2, then 5 and 7, this has to be what? Sometimes 5 is? 35. Done. Simple. Because now I'm just counting, and that's all it is rectangle over rectangle, rectangle over rectangle. We form rectangles to facilitate counting. That's all it is. Much easier than doing 6x equals 14 times 15, and then no fun, get back to 1, divide by 6. Of course that works, but that's a whole lot more math than just multiplying 5 times 7. Right? Well, we had to do a little reducing, so okay, you have to reduce, but I mean, even then, it's still, you keep the numbers small instead of getting big. And as you saw a second ago, you get all the way up to 12s and so forth. It doesn't matter. It's still easy. All right, where can they go for more?
Crewton Math.
Crewton Ramone. If you just put Crewton Ramone or just put Crewton Math in a search engine, you're correct. You will find me. But anyway, it's Crewton Ramone's House of Math. For more.